Welcome to Micromine. My name is Lino Mazzali, Technical Product Manager of Beyond. In this video, I'm going to be showing some of the features in our software. So the bench list, if you used Pit Design in the past, you had to fill up this manually as soon as you start your new design. What we added now is the autofill option that is smart enough to look at the dataset that you have in your setup and then say, look, I'm going to fill up this bench list for you from the lower elevation to the higher elevation of this pit shell or any other wireframe you have, and we set up with your defaults or the pit parameters you'd like to have in here. We can also do some manually autofill. You just need to give number of benches, target elevation, or topography if you have in your design, and we'll autofill for you. So this one's been autofilled. You can close, you can click OK, and then at this point nothing has happened because we don't have an auto build at the moment. The auto build comes now with this new tool called Guides. This is the dedicated tool. You can manually create your pit design at the moment because you have all the bench lists, but I'm showing now the dedicated tool here, which will look at the design or the guided shell you have, and it can create all constraints for you as an editable constraint, so you can go there and manipulate that one, or you can create only bases. I'm just going to start with the bases in this case. So since that design has only one base, this is a flat area, so we can come in here and add as a flat area. This is another flat area, we can add that one as well. So this is the kind of freedom that you have if you select just a base, so you can try to carry on your cutbacks and all the expansion of your pit with the most important contours that you have, instead of overly constraining your pit because you end up falling exactly the same as the other ones, or very close to what you have if you add all the constraints.